We're here today to talk about one of the top design trends of 2026, light and luster. I'm Emily Holly, and I'm here with interior designer Jennifer FLOORZZ. She does a lot of design work for MSI, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
Well, thank you. I'm excited to be here, and I can't wait to talk about one of my favorite trends of the year.
Yes, it's a great one because it's so neutral and really beautiful. I love some of the colors that really anchor that trend. Tell me what you like about light and luster and the colors.
Well, what I love is that you can really build your whole home around this. I mean, obviously, for us, it's going to always start in the kitchen and expand out from there. But I love that you can have a very neutral shell, and then seasonally, you can pop in a little bit of blue in the spring or a little bit of coral. You can bring in some deeper tones later in the year when the weather turns colder. So it just gives you a really, really approachable, flexible theme for your entire house.
Yes, and it's just really all about that warming trend, right? We've seen everyone kind of move into those warmer tones. I could not believe that I read a house report recently and that wood tone cabinets have actually surpassed white. I mean, that was crazy. And it's just by a little bit, but that's a big deal to see these wood tones.
That is a huge deal. I mean, I just feel like we have not seen that in so long. White has been the #1 kitchen cabinet color for so long, and it's always going to be a classic. But boy, is it fun to see something else come in and have it be rich and warm and sit so well with this trend.
Yes, I love it. And I will say another hero of this trend is the whole Taj Mahal movement. That's a big deal. We're standing here in this kitchen with Taj Mahal on the top.
Beautiful.
But one of the coolest things now is to see all these quartz colors come out, right? So what are some of your favorites you've seen?
So I think this is just an amazing thing. I mean, forever, we've obviously admired the beauty of the Taj Mahal natural stone, but now to have other options as well at every price point is incredible. This is a look that was just not achievable. You know, even a year or two ago, this was not an achievable look. And so we've now got Solotage and Aratage and Marfitage and Ivory Taj, which cover the gamut with a ton of color range. So we've got some from the lighter ivories all the way up to more of the beiges and taupes and grays. And it's just a beautiful assortment of product that, again, is so new and so incredible.
Yes, that's a big deal because honestly, it wasn't achievable with quartz. No. We were kind of stuck in this world of development, and now we can do some really cool things.
Yes.
I also love at MSI some of the LBT and these really beautiful blonde hues.
Yes.
Just a little bit more warmth coming in through the flooring. You know,
gorgeous.
Stella Biscotti is a favorite that works really well in this trend. Even the Zest. There's a lot of materials that we have to just make it come to life.
Yes, and what I love about adding the tile in and layering that is that you get a little bit of reflectivity, you get a little bit of sheen, and I think what's so huge with this particular trend is you really want to layer in that visual texture and that actual texture, because that's what's going to give it life and depth. You're working with a very neutral palette. We've got our off-whites, our taupes, our sage green that we added in just to give it a little bit of depth. But that texture is really going to help bring this whole trend to life.
That's right. So very interesting, but still very neutral. This is one of my favorites.
I completely agree. It's beautiful.
I hope you all learned a little bit more about light and luster today. Thank you for being here, Jennifer.
Well, thank you so much for having me. This was great.
Good. You know, you can also learn more on our website about this trend, and if you want to visualize it, check out our visualizer at msisurfaces.com.